Hey, it's Trey Alkali again. Insurance tips for smart people. Something that came up recently was, do I need general liability or professional liability? Very exciting, but the bottom line is the difference is general liability, for those of you that are not clear, is when a business needs things to cover things for physical issues that they may cause or cause on their premises. Professional liability, also called E&O, also called there's multiple names for it, but the bottom line is everybody from insurance agents to real estate agents to lawyers all have professional liability, some consultants, and that is for things you say or advise on. So if you're in the business, in any kind of business, you have general liability, and then sometimes you may need professional liability. One is a policy that is designed around things that occur at the time they occur, and the other policy, called a claims made, basically is based in history. It's like an ongoing coverage. That's the basics of it. It's more in depth than that, but that's basically the concept. So if you are any kind of a business owner that's going to have any advice that you give of any sort, design of any sort, like an engineer, you may need or be required to offer professional liability to the people you work with. If you are a business of any sort, you should have general liability. So if somebody falls and trips on your property, or if you go into somebody else's office as a consultant and you tip over their water bottle, and it causes damage to the property that you're in, you may get sued. That's what general liability is for. Usually they're a $1 million, $2 million policy for the general liability, and the professional could be different amounts depending on the industry. However, typically they're $1 million or more in coverage. These policies range in pricing all over the place, so you'd have to talk to your insurance agent. Make sure you do ask that question, because even barbershops carry professional liability. Sometimes it comes with their business owner policy, sometimes it does not. So you may want to ask around about that. Nail salons could have professional liability, because if they do some work on you, that could be a professional risk, not a general risk. So if you have any questions, give me a shout out. Put some comments in. Basically, it's pretty simple to explain. If you have any questions, put some comments in there. Share, like the video with your friends and family, everywhere you see it. Again, this is Trey Alkali, Insurance Tips for SmartPeople.com. Insurance Tips for SmartPeople.com. Share and like. Share and like. Thanks again.